Traditional leather wallets have lots of extra layers of material, and your overlapping cards just add to the bulk. That's why we invented SlimFold. By designing a wallet around today's modern everyday carry, we drastically reduced bulk while maximizing functionality. The softshell material further reduces thickness. Think of it as a cross between Gore-Tex and Kevlar. The sophisticated matte finish has a slight texture for the perfect amount of grip. Softshell is much more durable than leather and stays looking new for years. It's even waterproof and machine washable. The original size layout allows you to organize up to 20 cards while still being 2 to 3 times thinner than traditional wallets. Card slots and an ID window are precision cut into the material, so there's no extra layers. The deep money pocket holds all international currency and even boarding passes. Behind where the bills go, there's space for additional cards. The cards are distributed into separate stacks to create the thinnest configuration possible. Select the RFID blocking option to protect your information from being stolen at a distance. Since 2009, SlimFold has led the minimalist wallet revolution. We've now delivered over 100,000 wallets to customers in more than 70 countries. Our products are still made in USA, and we stand behind this wallet with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. The best way to find out if this is the perfect wallet for you is to experience it for yourself. Put your cards in it, and you'll feel the difference right away.
This is the keynote from Gerber. No knife can do it all, but this one comes close. Deployment of the dual-use blade is initiated with the starter tab and finished with your thumb or a nail nick. The blade is stout, giving you both a scraping and a cutting edge. And you get all that in a compact format you can wear on a belt, in a pocket, or on a keychain. It's available in 2 colors. Out on the town or around the house, the Keynote can multitask like no other.
My name is Jeff Park. This is my custom bones folder. The handle shape is quite similar to a dog bone, which is where it gets its name. This is a thin profile knife. The handle design features some fluting along the edges for extra grippiness. This also makes the knife look much thinner. This knife is a flipper. You have a tab right in the back here. Push it and it'll flip right open. One thing that I wanted to go for here with this sweep in the back of the handle is if you're holding the knife like this and maybe doing some detailed cutting, while you're pushing down in the front of the blade, it pushes this up into the back of your hand, which sort of locks the knife into your hand. This is a nice skinny blade. It's a modified semi-tanto shape with a full flat grind. The Bones has a liner lock. It's inset into the handle, and to release this, you would just with your thumb push this out of the way and close the blade. The back strap features machine jimping for grippiness. It also has a cutout in the back strap for a lanyard. We've also got a deep carry pocket clip. When you put it in your pocket, the knife pretty much disappears. This knife I feel is a pretty perfect everyday carry size. Cuts meat real well, opens mail, and heck, what else do you do with your knife?